RCDSB Tech Academy. Think, talk, tech. Quick clips.
This video is going to show you how to create your ThingLink for Education account. It's best to do this on a computer rather than an iPad, so that's what I'm using now. Up in a Google search bar, I'm just going to do a Google search for ThingLink Education. And I'm just going to click on the first option. We can see that on this page we can sign up as a teacher or as a student. Today we're going to sign up as a teacher. There's two plans to choose from. There's a free version and of course a paid version. The free version is what we're going to sign up for today. If you've already signed up for Google Plus with your school board credentials, you could log in with your Google account, your Google Plus account, into ThingLink. This would be nice because what it will allow you to do is have the same username and password as your Google account for your ThingLink account. Or you could create a new password and a new email on the right hand side here. That's what I'm going to do for today. Once you've put in all your information, you can uncheck this if you wish, and then press sign up for free. Now that you've signed up for ThingLink, you could start creating your interactive images, or you could start enrolling your students. The next few videos are going to show you how to do just that. This video is going to show you how you can start enrolling your students into your ThingLink channel. There's two ways that we can have students enrolled into our ThingLink class. The first way would be to give them our class ThingLink code and they can enroll themselves on their own devices, or we can enroll the students ourselves. Either way, we're going to press the Students button up at the top, and we can see that we don't have any students enrolled yet. But if we flip over to the Groups tab, there has been a group automatically created for us by ThingLink. And at the end of that group, there's a little button that says Manage Group, and this is the button that we're going to press to get our ThingLink class code to give to students or to start registering the students ourselves. So I'm going to press on it. And as we start registering students into our class, they would be listed underneath here. You yourself are automatically listed into your own class. Here's your course code or your class code that you would give to students as they begin to register themselves into your ThingLink class. Or here's the button you press to register your students yourself. So I'm just going to press Register Students, and this is where we would list student names. I'm just going to start entering the names of students in here. And once you've entered all your students into this space, you're going to press on Register Students. The next page that pops up will show you, it'll give you a list of each of the students that you just enrolled. It will give you their email or login ID to get into ThingLink, as well as their password. You can't see their password after you've closed out of this page, so it's very important that you either print this page right now or you write down each of your student passwords. You can, however, change their password after you've gotten off this page. So very important to either print the page or to have the students come up and write down their login password and their login email address. I'm going to click on Return to User Management. It says, are you sure you want to? Okay. And once you've done that, we can see that we have 4 students now enrolled into the class. This is the button that you would press to change their password if they ever forget. And you can click on each of your students, and you have more options for this student where you could either remove that student from your class, you could suspend them, or you can change their password. Click on Groups again, and then go back into Manage Group. We could continue to register more students into the class if we chose. So the next video is going to show you how students can enroll themselves into your class using either a Chromebook or an iPad. This video is going to show you how you can have your students enroll themselves into your class. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your own ThingLink account, and you're going to want to get your class code to give to your students. To do that, you're going to click on the word students again up at the top right corner, and you're going to flip over to the groups tab. At the end of your group, you're going to click the manage group button, and you're going to write this code down here. This is the invite code that you're going to give to your students. Now that we got our class sign up code, we can now have the students hop onto an iPad and use the code to sign in to our ThingLink class. So we have a student now that's using an iPad, and they're going to press on sign up with email, and they have to enter in their school board email address. And then they have to click on I have an invite code, and they have to enter the invite code that you got from your ThingLink website. The next step is to set a password for themselves. So it has to be at least 8 characters long. And then once they're finished, they can press sign up, and now they're registered and can start creating their ThingLink images.